Alright, so what's up everyone? I know you can't see my face or anything, but today's video I kind of wanted to discuss a couple things that really age on these cars and a great replacement for it that's actually affordable and cheap, and it really makes the car kind of look that much better and a difference. So today is the Sve Performance Radiator. Again, this is a little bit of a bigger radiator. I touched on this on a video a while back, a couple months ago, about upgrading the radiator. And this pretty much goes for like if you have a Coyote swap or even a 94 to 04 Mustang or whatever, and you're looking to just kind of get something that looks a little better, a little thicker. It's going to not make much of a difference in performance, but it's ultimately going to help, I guess, keep the car cooler. So today I'm going to be talking about the Sve line. This isn't like a sponsored video or anything, but all these products are from Late Model Restoration or LMR.com, and I decided to take a chance on them, and over the past couple months I've waited to make this video because I wanted to see how well the stuff held up. So the radiator has done pretty good, and taking a step to inside of the car, there are two more products that I have. Make sure that door doesn't hit there. But so besides the car being dirty, there are two more parts I have in here that are Sve or from the Sve line, and this is the shift knob. This is an aftermarket shift knob, of course. There you go. But this is the 0304 Cobra Terminator style, based off that. Now they do make the one in the 6-speed for the Cobras as well, and I've only had this for a couple weeks because the Ford Racing one I had over the time, I don't even know where it's at. Oh, well, here's a part of it. These are known to come off. Let's see if I can adjust the camera for this. So these are known to come off. They're just held on by like, I guess like cheap glue or whatever, and I imagine this one too. But the thing about it is, it took like 3 years for this one to like wear out finally, and the shift knob itself is made a little different. But in the end, I mean, I guess it did its work or whatever. And the biggest product here that I definitely wanted to touch base on. It's been about almost a year since I've had this Sve steering wheel. You pretty much just, these are your factory gauges, just replace that, and this is the factory horn. It does work. And this whole assembly right here just comes as like a steering wheel. It is a bit on the pricey side. It is 200, I think like 250, and they do have a suede option. This is based off, I think, the Sve FR500 wheel, steering wheel for that car, for this generation, the track car. But I mean, overall, looking at it, like you would think, something like this, in-house brand or whatever, would maybe wear out over time and, start to show wear and tear, especially after a year. And the reason that I say that, because I daily drive this car, and, I don't really have the cleanest hands coming in here all the time from, working on cars or something like that. So grease probably has gotten on it. Kind of give you the best representation of this. But overall, guys, like, besides the car being dirty, this stuff has held up really well, and I have no complaints whatsoever about the Sve line from LMR. So for 94 to 04 guys, definitely look into, getting some of the stuff to replace, because it goes well with the dash, the color of it. And the replacement, I know how quick and crappy these things wear out, the stock ones. And the shift knobs, there's like a galore shift knob options you can go with, but this one was like $25. I think it was like $30 altogether with shipping, but it really goes with the car. I think this is the shift knob that Ford should have stuck with instead of the factory one. That's like a black charcoal. I like this one better. I think it just shows more style. But yeah, guys, overall, here's like an outside view of it. But there you go, guys. I just wanted to make this quick little video, and this is a few options that definitely you got 99 to 04 guys, or 94 to 04, 94 to 98, however you want to say. They do have different color options for the steering wheel and stuff like that. I think it's a great product, and the radiator is always a good touch for a little performance gain. Not much, but you know, definitely if you're going to upgrade your radiator, why not just go all out and get something better than factory. But yeah, it really sits well with the seats and stuff like that. But anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Just a quick little video to touch up on something like this. I wanted to wait. But anyways, make sure to subscribe for future content. Give this video a thumbs up, and it would definitely help out the channel. And have a good week.